It's alright, okay. I'm so much better with.
On the way to the venue, I'm so freaking nervous because I didn't get to perform, or I didn't get to do sound check 2 of my songs, and I have a 4-song set, so I didn't get to do 2 songs. That's half of my set. I'm really, really nervous.
You can tell the story about later on.
Like
Okay,
Flight of the
meeting.
Conchords.
Meeting.
Roll call.
Band
Jermaine.
meeting. Band meeting.
Bad meeting. Ready?
Oh my god, I
Okay,
love that.
so you know your cues on when to go out over there. Don't go so. You know where to
Dude, I
go,
know.
right?
I mean, not without those things. Are we doing?
Yeah, they're not there anymore.
So
So you
just
know where to
like-
go.
General
Go just
vicinity?
over to the general, like, okay, if you're on, like, the left side of stage, instead of the corner, go in the middle, like, right there. Like, this is center. Okay. Mike, are you paying attention? Because we all need to listen to
I
each
have
other.
ears like a hawk.
You're like ADD boy looking somewhere else. Okay, so, I will look at all of you whenever I'm ready to start a new song. Rock your body now, everybody.
Ashley's back.
All right.
It's alright.